Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? What is our lesson name, children? Yes, our lesson 5, plants we are discussing. Plants. So, we discussed about different parts in plants. And we discussed about the plants are two types, and the plants that grow on land we discussed. The plants that grows on land we discussed. Today we are going to discuss about the plants that grows in water. The plants that grow in land we called it as what we called it as that grows on plant? Terrestrial plants. Yes, children. Yes, today we are going to discuss about the plants that grows in water. Yes, plants that grow in water. Do you know what are the different plants in water? In water also so many plants are there na? Yes, as those plants, the plants which grows in water we call it as aquatic plants. What are those? Aquatic plants. Repeat it along with me. Aquatic plants. The plants that grow in water we call it as aquatic plants. Again repeat it along with me, children. The plants that grow in water, what we call it as aquatic plants. Why? Because they are in water. That's why we call it as aquatic plants. And the plants that grows on land మీద పెరిగితే ఏమంటాం ఆ plants ని terrestrial plants. What about the plants that grow in water? Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are two types. What are those? Water లో ఉండే plants కూడా మళ్ళీ two types ఉన్నాయంట. ఏంటవి? Floating plants. Floating water plants. Yes. Floating water plants. And the plants that grows underwater we call it as underwater plants. Underwater plants. Understand, children? All of you understand? Listen carefully. The plants that grows in water we call it as aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are two types. What are those, children? Floating water plants. And next one is underwater plants. Yes. What are floating water plants and what are underwater plants? I will explain you now. Yes, children. Now I will explain you floating water plants. Yes. Plants are two types. What are those? Aquatic plants. Those we call it as aquatic plants. The first one is floating water plants, and the second one is plants that grows in water. Yes, children. What are floating aquatic plants? Floating aquatic plants. These are again of two types. Again, these floating aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants ante etama ivi water లో float అంటే పైకి ఇలా తేలుతూ మనకి కనబడతాయి. అందుకే వీటిని ఏమంటాం? ఫ్లోటింగ్ aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants. Why? Because we call it as floating aquatic plants. Because these plants are floating on the water. Floating on the water. Water పైన ఫ్లోట్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి వీటిని మనం ఏమంటాం? ఫ్లోటింగ్ aquatic plants. ఫ్లోటింగ్ aquatic plants. ఇందులో మళ్ళీ 2 టైప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. The first one is fixed. Fixed floating. Fixed floating aquatic plants. Fixed floating fixed one, and the second one is free floating. Fixed one and free floating. Free floating aquatic plants and fixed floating aquatic plants. Fixed. Fixed means what? They cannot move. Yes? So they will float on the water only. They cannot move from that water surface from here to there like that. Those are fixed. Those are fixed. Free floating means freely they will move on the water. That's why we call it as free floating aquatic plants. Example for fixed floating aquatic plants is lotus and water lily. Example is lotus and water lily. Here the example is water lettuce. Water lettuce. Yes, children, these are the 2 types of plants. In floating aquatic plants only, we are having 2 types. What are those? Fixed floating aquatic plants and free floating aquatic plants. Fixed means they are fixed to that area. So that's what are the examples? What is the example, children? Yes, for the fixed floating aquatic plants, example is lotus and water lily. And here the free floating aquatic plants, they can freely float on the water. Example here is water lettuce. Water lettuce. These are the floating aquatic plants. Eventama floating aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants lo 2 types unnai. Fixed aquatic, free ga move aye aquatic plants. Next one is another type we discussed. What is that one? Under water plants. Under water plants. Water underwater plants. Underwater plants ante enti? Ee plants water lopala unde plants. Under the water plants. What are those plants? Example is hydrilla. Example enti? Hydrilla. Hydrilla plants are the plants which grows under the water. Under the water. Understand, children? Yes. Aquatic plants are of 2 types. Floating underwater plants. Floating aquatic plants, underwater plants. Malli floating aquatic plants any types? 2 types. If floating aquatic plants any types amma? 2 types. What are those? Fixed floating aquatic plants and free floating aquatic plants. Fixed ante those are fixed. Yes. What are those? Lotus and water lily. And coming to free floating, they can freely move. Free ga float avutayi water meeda. Aventi? Example is water lettuce. Water lettuce. Next one is underwater plants. Underwater plants ante the plants that grows under the water. Example is hydrilla. Example is hydrilla. Understand, children, about this one? Now open your speaking task book, school book, open page number 36, open page number 36 children, right? In that we have to discuss the speaking task 4 about speak about the plants that grow in water. Yes children, right. Open that one. Open it children. Speaking task 4. Yes, now practice that speaking task 4 children. What is that? Speak about plants that grow in water. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Are called aquatic plants. Next, there are two types of aquatic plants. There are two types of aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants. These are again two types. These are again two types. Excuse me children. Free floating aquatic plants. Free floating aquatic plants. Example, water lettuce. Next, B, fixed aquatic plants. Example, lotus lotus, water lily, water lily. Next, underground, under water plants, water plants. Example, hydrilla, hydrilla. Understand, children? Now we are going to practice that speaking task. Open your school book and you have to read along with me. Okay? Yes. Plants, plants that grow in water, are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. There are two types of aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants. There are again two types. There are again two types. Free floating aquatic plants. Free floating aquatic plants. Example, water lettuce. Example, water lettuce. Fixed aquatic plants. Fixed aquatic plants. Example, lotus, water lily. Next, under water plants. Under water plants. Example, hydrilla. Yes, again you have to practice along with me. Once again, children. Yes, right. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. There are two types of aquatic plants. There are two types of aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants. Floating aquatic plants. These are again Again, two types. Free floating, aquatic plants. Free floating, aquatic. Example, water lettuce, fixed, aquatic plants. Example, lotus, water lily, under, water plants, under, water plants. Example, hydrilla. All of you understand, children? So you have to practice this speaking task. That is the homework for you. Everyone should practice it. Okay, all of you understand about the plants that grows in water. Yes, children, that is the homework for you. You have to practice the speaking task. Tomorrow we will continue our lesson. Thank you, children. Bye bye.